Hey, so I just wanted to make a quick video, USDJPY. I think this one's going to fall off. I had to bleed quite a bit in order for this to kind of do what I wanted it to, but we had some early success early on. Could have got out and made more than 1%, as you can see. And now we're still aiming at 1.99. But I've got to wait. So it's 11:59. We're about to print the next bar. I think I'll just hold on. And if you don't mind sticking with me for another minute and a half or so, we'll watch this close out. But I think we're going to drop down. This area, obviously, this zone has had some movement, but this area specifically, or particularly over the recent past, we've banged off of that level pretty pretty successfully. So a big red bar, small red bar, I'm going to look for, you know, I would expect it to drop down and have a big red bar here. We've got some divergence here, so on the MACD, you're going to see that we're actually sloped downward. You see this? And here we've just got like a triple top type of situation. So I think we're running out of steam as far as trying to push higher, and that's why I placed the entry where I did originally. But my timing was a little bit off. I had mentioned that we were waiting for a time to jump in. This is a situation where you got like a double top that formed, and then there's an opportunity to get in. You want to go ahead and get in on a double top. I'd probably even had gotten in around this area maybe if I was privy to the price action. Clearly I wasn't, but the double top is just increases your likelihood, and then a triple top maybe increases a little bit more. But the downside, so MACD also helps a ton, but the downside for me at least is that we've got 3 here, but we're also kind of in a channel on the lower side. So we had a higher low, as you can see from here to here. It's actually higher, and so we might actually be forming like a wedge situation that would kind of look something like this. Not a wedge, but a triangle situation, and then the flat on the top here. So yeah, you guys see this bar and how that closed. This is an hour chart. So pretty significant there, and I think we drop down further and keep going lower. But I might also be forming a triangle, and then we'll have to wait for a breakout. So I might actually be early on this is what I'm saying, and I might have to just kind of wait and ride this out. And I don't know if I really want to do that. We'll see. You guys know that I'm usually in and out of trades. I don't really want to hang around too long and do that whole thing. But yeah, something like that. All right, peace.